today's video, I'm going to teach you create standard operating procedures in Notion. Think of SOPs as clear, repeatable checklists for your team, and Notion makes them easy to spin up using templates. We'll start by grabbing a ready-made layout and then tailor it so it fits your workflow perfectly. First, open the Notion website in your browser. On the main page, look for Marketplace and click it. This is Notion's gallery of pre-built pages and databases created to help you get started fast. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type Standard Operating Procedure. This filters the gallery to templates designed specifically for SOPs, so you don't have to build from scratch. Browse the options, paying attention to the preview images and descriptions. When one matches your needs, maybe it includes process owners, steps, and a review cadence, select the template and click it to open its details. Next, click Add. Notion will copy that template into your workspace, usually into your private section, so you can review it before anyone else sees it. Give it a moment to load. When it opens, you'll have a fully structured page or database ready to refine. Now customize everything so the template speaks your language. Start by renaming the page and updating the description to explain who the SOP is for and when to use it. Replace placeholder text with your actual process steps, keeping actions specific and measurable. If the template includes a database, adjust properties like department, owner, status, and review date to match how your team tracks work. You can edit property names, add new ones, or remove anything you don't need. Format for clarity. Use headings for sections like purpose, prerequisites, step-by-step, and quality checks. Turn long paragraphs into numbered steps or checkboxes and add callouts for warnings or tips. Collapsible toggles are great for optional details. If screenshots or links help, paste them directly under the relevant step. For recurring reviews, set a default review date so the team keeps procedures current. Before you roll it out, run through the SOP as if you were new to the process. Tighten wording, confirm links open, and make sure the order of steps mirrors real work. When it feels right, your template-powered SOP is ready for everyday use. That's it. You opened Notion, used the Marketplace to find an SOP template, added it, and customized it into a clear, reliable guide your team can follow.